Most people say Yamuna Expressway is the future. Serious investors, however, don't look at the headlines. They look at the timing. There is something emerging within the 100 acres Ace Township that deserves your attention. Upcoming retail and studios by Ace Group. And mind you, these aren't just your typical business suites. If we talk about the location, it's Sector 22A Yamuna Expressway, a corridor that's gradually transitioning into a mixed-use growth corridor. Residential townships, institutional developments, and infrastructure upgrades. The movement is visible even if it's still unfolding. Now within this larger ecosystem, Ace is introducing business suites and lockable commercial space. That detail matters. A lockable commercial space in an organized township format. That is an uncommon thing in this micro market. The hospitality management is expected to be handled by Sarovar Portico. Sarovar Portico is a well-established mid-market hospitality brand under Sarovar Hotels. The property often features versatile meeting spaces, dining options, and professional facilities that attract corporate guests and long stays occupiers. Involvement of Sarovar Portico as the hospitality partner for Ace Hive Business Suites adds operational credibility, enhances daily footfall potential, and strengthens the project's commercial appeal. An important value driver for investors looking at long-term leasing or revenue-oriented commercial assets. That alignment proceeds as indicated adds a layer of operational credibility that upper middle class investors typically look for. Structure, brand, association, and professional management. Indicative launch pricing is around 14,995 per square feet with a pre-launch benefit reportedly adjusting the entry closer to 11,995 per square feet. Subject to final terms and availability, the payment plan is discussed as 50-25-25 with an EOI of approximately 5 lakhs. Now the question isn't whether this is cheap or expensive. The real question is what is the positioning? A branded business suite within a 100-acre township on a corridor that is still in its early institutional expansion phase. The combination places this in a relatively limited supply category. Nothing in real estate is guaranteed. Markets evolve, policies shift, timelines move, but historically, early positioning in organized ecosystem tends to attract attention once the surrounding infrastructure matures. Ace Group's track record in NCR adds another dimension. Execution credibility matters, especially in commercial and mixed-use developments. This may not be for everyone. It's a short-term flip narrative. It's a strategic entry consideration for those tracking Yamuna Expressway closely. Sometimes the opportunity isn't about immediate returns. It's about entering before the narrative fully changes. Evaluate it, study it. Because in growth corridors, timing quietly separates observers from participants. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel estateroots_ER for more such upcoming project details.